Today, we're diving into ast-grep, a powerful tool that helps you find and fix code patterns in your projects. Think of it like a smarter grep for code, understanding your abstract syntax trees, not just raw text. And we're going to see how its interactive mode helps you apply fixes with ease. Let's jump right in. I've got a small project set up here, and we'll start by running ast-grep scan-i. The -i flag is for interactive mode, which is where the magic happens. Right away, ast-grep finds an issue in our test.ts file. Notice how it gives us a clear diff view, a helpful notes section rendered beautifully with Markdown, and here's the cool part, fix. This is where ast-grep shines. It doesn't just suggest one fix, it often gives you multiple intelligent options for how to resolve an issue. For now, I'll hit Q to quit, as I want to walk you through the setup first. First, let's look at our project structure. I'll use ls. We have an sgconfig.yaml, a test.ts file, and a rules directory. Let's peek at sgconfig.yaml with bat. It simply points ast-grep to our rules directory, telling it where to find our custom code quality rules. Now, let's examine our test.ts file. As you can see, we have two simple Angular components, each with an @input decorator. The issue here, which ast-grep caught, is subtle. @inputs in Angular are optional by default. If a value isn't provided, they'll be undefined. However, our type annotation string doesn't explicitly account for that undefined possibility, which can lead to runtime errors or unexpected behavior. Now, let's examine the rule that found this issue. It's located in Rules folder. Scrolling down, we see the Notes section, which is the detailed explanation we saw in the CLI. This is a fantastic feature for documenting your rules directly within the rule file, providing context and best practices for users. And critically, notice the fix array down here. Each item in this array corresponds to one of the fix options we saw earlier in the interactive prompt. We have add undefined to type, add default value, and make input required. Okay, let's run sgscan-i again, but this time we'll actually apply some fixes. For the first component, I'll hit tab to cycle through the options, and yes, I'll choose add undefined to type by hitting enter. Now ast-grep moves to the second match. For this one, let's try a different fix. I'll hit tab again to explore, and this time I'll go with make input required and hit enter. Perfect! ast-grep reports applied 2 changes. To verify our changes, let's run git diff. And there you have it. The first @input now correctly includes undefined in its union type, handling the optional nature. And the second @input has been updated with required true inside the decorator, explicitly making it a required input. This demonstrates ast-grep's ability to apply targeted, context-aware fixes, making refactoring and code modernization a breeze. That's a quick look at ast-grep's interactive mode and its powerful multi-fix capabilities. Happy grepping!